जैसा कि आपको पता है कि अभी हम खड़े हैं ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर और आए यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों के जो व्यूज़ हैं उनसे जानते हैं इस इवेंट के बारे में कि वो कैसा उनको फील हो रहा है, यहाँ पे कैसा लग रहा है उनको यहाँ पे आके। सो आए कुछ लोगों से उनके व्यूज़ जानते हैं, आए मेरे साथ। Hi guys, so we are here at Trafalgar Square at the eve of Eid, you know. Basically it's arranged by the Mayor of London, Sadiq. So here we are with some guests and we are going to ask some questions from them. So let's know their views. So hi, how do you think, like, what about this event? Is there any few words about this event?
Well, I came to this event because my daughter, who recently converted to Islam, Sabrina, so I'm supporting her, and because her father is Pakistani and my parents are from India, so I'm Hindu, but I don't practice, but yeah, Hindu, and her father is Pakistani Muslim. So my daughter decided I'm going to convert to Islam. So just after Ramadan, she said, "Mom, come on, let's go to this." So I said, "Yeah, let's go."
That's really impressive. Like, as you heard that her daughter is Muslim, but she is Hindu, but she's still supporting her daughter. Wow, what's a sport? I really appreciate your support.
Yeah. Well, she's my daughter, and you know the way I was brought up by my mother is you respect all religions.
Exactly. Yeah.
Islam. Yeah.
And what's your name, please?
Linda.
Linda.
English name.
English name. And what about your Urdu one?
कोई उर्दू नाम नहीं है. Linda.
Okay. So let's move towards Fabra. She's from Algeria. So are you Muslim?
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, wow, mashallah. And what about your thoughts about this event?
Oh, it's great. There is nothing like this. I mean, in Europe. Oh, you know, I keep sending videos to my brothers who are in France. There's nothing like this. And you know what? It's fantastic, you know. We have everything here.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
Or whether it's for Hindu, whether it's for Muslim, whether it's for Christian.
Yeah.
Everybody has the event here in London.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And as you know that here are some singing over here in the Urdu language. As you do, I think you don't understand the Urdu, but how are you feeling? Like, what's your feeling over there? Like,
they speak Urdu, they speak Punjabi, or whatever. I speak French. Nobody understands me.
Yeah.
So it's fine. If they sing something, we sing along, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, both of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. शिरोवाद का हमारे साथ कुछ गेस्ट हैं जो कि इंडिया से हैं। सो आए
विजिट आए हुए हॉलीडे करने।
हॉलीडे करने आए और माशाल्लाह से ये मुस्लिम है। सो आए इनके कुछ व्यूज जानते हैं, ये क्या कहते हैं इस इवेंट के बारे में। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सबसे पहले आपको ईद मुबारक।
ईद मुबारक।
थैंक यू सो मच। आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके, इस इवेंट पे आके? लाइक आपको किस तरह की फीलिंग आ रही है?
बहुत अच्छी आ रही है और बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके?
यहाँ पे
सच में आपको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, एंजॉय कर रही है।
और क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा इकबालुन्निसा।
इकबालुन्निसा, माशाल्लाह इनका इकबालुन्निसा नाम है माशाल्लाह। और कुछ और कहना चाहेंगे इस इवेंट के बारे में? लाइक इस तरह के इवेंट होने चाहिए या नहीं होने चाहिए?
होना चाहिए। बहुत बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रहा है।
और एक चीज जो मैंने नोटिस की कि पूरी दुनिया से लोग यहाँ पे आए, लाइक हर कंट्री से यहाँ पे लोग जमा है, तो ये अच्छा इवेंट है। सबको वो एक तरह का सपोर्ट करने का, उनका रिलीजियस जो है उस हिसाब से
सही सब अच्छे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, तो बड़े अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा आपको? सब इकट्ठे हैं?
बहुत खुशी हुई।
फैमिली के साथ आए हो?
फैमिली के साथ आए थे।
ओके।
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
ओके।
और मैं दूसरी बार आई हूँ।
अच्छा।
एक बार सेकंड टाइम आई हूँ मैं।
सही है।
एक बार आके गई और दूसरी बार आई हूँ मैं। मुझे अच्छा लगने से वजह से मैं दूसरी बार आई हूँ।
अच्छा। और आपका क्या नाम है?
मैं फिरोज खान।
फिरोज खान। और आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस इवेंट के बारे में?
बस इवेंट के बारे में हमको पता चला 29 को इवेंट है,
ठीक है।
तो ईद की खुशी के लिए हम लोग आए। क्योंकि रमजान महीना खत्म हुआ तो जरा सेलिब्रेशन करने हम लोग ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर आए हैं ईद की खुशी करने। जी हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई। यहाँ पे सारे मुसलमान भाई आए, सारे लोग आए, सारे कंट्री के लोग हैं।
वो एक इत्तेहाद वाली फिजा जो है वो अच्छा लगा कि मुत्तहिद हैं सारे।
बिल्कुल सही बात है आपकी। क्या
ओके जी,
इतनी खुशी हो गई हमें यहाँ आने से। क्या हाँ, हम लोग लगभग 1.5 घंटे से निकले हुए घर से।
ओके
जी हम लोग वेम्बली में रहते हैं। वेम्बली में रहते हैं। जी
ओके जी, ये थे फिरोज खान और इकबालुन्निसा जो कि इंडिया से थे और ईद की छुट्टियों पे लंदन आए हैं, सो इस इवेंट को देखने आए और इन्हें अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। व्हाट्स योर नेम सर?
Faisal.
Faisal bhai, and Faisal bhai, what do you think, like as you are in the London, and I hope so you celebrated many Eid event at the Pakistan, and what's the different about like this event and in the Pakistan?
This is the first time in London they've done something like this, and I think it's brilliant. It's brilliant atmosphere for everyone to come together, people from different culture, different backgrounds, and it's great here. The difference between Pakistan, everyone celebrates it. So here you see it really, and it's normally we stay home, have food, and that's it.
Yeah.
But this is it's a very good crowd here. I wasn't expecting it to be as busy as this,
Yeah.
but the turnout is brilliant.
So by the way, did you miss in the Eid Pakistan or no?
Pakistan, to be honest, I was too young when I was there, so I don't remember much.
Oh, that's why.
So it's mainly I've done all the Eids here, and by far this has been the best one. I have to say.
Okay, thank you so much, Faisal bhai. Thank you. What's your name?
Sarim.
Sarim. Oh, thank you. And is there any like special words for this event?
I really like it and I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying it.
Yeah.
What do you think? The Eid is good in Pakistan or in this London?
I haven't had Eid in Pakistan,
Uh,
but I think here's better.
but this is here for the first time, you know.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Like this should be continue or no?
I think we should continue because
be
everyone's having fun and there's a lot of crowds
Okay, so it should be continued every year, yeah.
every year.
What about your Ramadan? How was your Ramadan?
It was good. I fasted all days. I got lots of presents as well.
All of the days. Oh wow, that's impressive. So how young are you, by the way?
13.
13, mashallah. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hiya.
What's your name?
Marinissa.
Nisa. So what do you think? Is there any few words about this event?
Yeah, it's a nice event. I mean, we've got the whole community here.
Yeah.
So yeah, Islamic event as well.
So are you really enjoying this event?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So like, what do you think? Is there any difference about this event in the back home at your country or this one?
I think back home events have music,
Yeah.
whereas this one's got nasheeds and music. So a bit different like that.
So what do you think? Which one's a good one? Like in this or at the back home?
I feel this one's better.
This one's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Hi. What's your name?
Seema.
Seema. And where are you from?
South London.
Okay. So what about your viewers about this event?
No, it's a good event. I come every year. It's worth it. It's a good family day out.
Okay. But I think this is celebrated for the first time, is it?
This has been here for years.
Oh, okay. So like this should be continued or it's okay? Like this shouldn't be continued every year?
Yeah, it's a nice family day out, but they don't do what they used to do. They used to bring famous singers, but they don't do that anymore.
So this event should be continued every year or no?
Yeah, it should. Why not? There's nothing bad in it. It brings everyone together. It's Eid as well, so it's an excuse to celebrate.
Okay, thank you so much.
हेलो अस्सलाम
वालेकुम सलाम। ईद मुबारक आपको।
ईद मुबारक।
थैंक यू सो मच। क्या नाम है आपका?
जाहिद।
और आप पाकिस्तान से हैं?
जी जी पाकिस्तान।
सो आपको लाइक क्या लगता है इस इवेंट के बारे में, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग आए हुए हैं, तो वो बस ये है कि वेदर भी अच्छा है और इट्स वेरी गुड फ्रॉम मेयर कि उन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, काफ़ी लोग आए हुए हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, तो हाँ ये गेट टुगेदर है और कुछ थोड़ी सी ईद की फीलिंग भी हो रही है।
तो मतलब आप जो पाकिस्तान में इवेंट होता है ईद का, आप उसको ज़्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं या इधर आके अच्छा लग रहा है? लाइक कौन सा अच्छा है?
पाकिस्तान में तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है।
पाकिस्तान में कुछ नहीं होता। भाई का व्यूज डिफरेंट है। भाई कहते हैं पाकिस्तान में कुछ भी नहीं होता।
पाकिस्तान में तो बस पार्क में चले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे इस तरह लाइक आई मीन उसमें ये वहाँ पे ये होता है कि बस इस तरह यानी कि स्टेज वगैरह नहीं होते, जैसे ये ऑब्वियसली वो ये लोग अरबिक वगैरह में काफी डिफरेंट कल्चर्स आए हैं यहाँ पे।
आप और पाकिस्तान को वैसे मिस करते हैं या नहीं करते?
पाकिस्तान को ऑब्वियसली मिस करते हैं।
पाकिस्तान को मिस करना भाई ये हर बंदा ही मिस करता है। उसकी जो वहाँ की लाइफ है उसका कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है इसकी लाइफ के साथ। नो डाउट के here we have a lot of facilities, but I think we're gonna always miss the life of the Pakistan.
Of course, Eid in Pakistan जो है वो something different.
Exactly.
उसकी स्पिरिट ही कुछ हो रहा है।
Exactly. सही बात। Anyway, thank you so much. बहुत शुक्रिया. अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
From Pakistan. Oh, so in which city by the way?
Lahore.
Lahore. Oh, Lahori हैं. बड़े दिल वाले. So how long have you been here in this country?
Just a few months.
A few months. So what do you think like about this event?
Yeah, I think it's really good. I moved from Ireland, so there's not a lot of Muslims or this kind of stuff doesn't happen over there. So it's really good.
So this kind of stuff is not happening over in the Ireland. So I think as she said that she's really enjoying. But what do you think? Like you're gonna miss your home at the especially at the event of Eid while you are in Pakistan, or this is fine?
Yeah, this is good enough.
Is there any special reviews about this event? Is any special thing like?
Well, like I came to see my friend she was doing like a poetry workshop at one of these stalls. So I thought that was pretty cool that they're kind of like raised, like I don't know, they're kind of like making poetry like a big thing here. So I kind of like that. But that's not like specific to that's not specific to like Eid or anything like that. But I think it's cool to kind of bring like the community together in this way. So yeah.
Exactly. At least we can see here a lot of culture from all over the world. A lot of countries gonna show their own culture. You know. By the way, do you really miss the life of the Pakistan or no?
Like it's nice. I miss it, but like it's not like I would go back there. But I like going for vacations and stuff like that. I miss it.
Okay. What's your name by the way?
Seher.
Sahar. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi. So here are two more kids with us, and they're very excited to come in our video. So let's know about their views. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Abby,
Abby. And where are you from?
India.
Oh, she's from India. Wow. And what about your name?
My name is Yusuf.
Oh, Yusuf, mashallah. What's a good name, Yusuf. How do you feeling at there?
I'm excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
Excited for what? Like especially for?
I'm excited to be here because the mayor is coming and there's so much activity that I get to do. And yeah,
So are you really enjoying here? Yeah.
yeah.
What about your reviews about this event?
Well, it's mainly a mixture of emotions, but like I'm only happy about coming here.
Yeah.
But mostly there's like a lot of people here, which is very claustrophobic for me.
Yeah.
So like, yeah,
So you both are really enjoying, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much and nice to meet you. Good luck for this event.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak.
Sorry, Eid Mubarak.
You are-
Eid Mubarak. Thank you so much.